Hey y'all, it's raventiesha. If you are new here, please be sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave and hit the bell right beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys' support. And as you guys can see from the title, today we are going to be doing my long overdue dorm room tour. So I'm not gonna ramble. Let's just get into the video. And then just swipe to get in. I do apologize for the noise. It's just in our kitchen. It's always like this. So coming from the door, right here is our little counter. And we just have, this is my roommate's trash can, two boxes that I brought my kitchen stuff in, and that's my trash can. And then I just have some wheat bread right here. And in this bag I have condiments, and this is where my forks and stuff are that I haven't used. They're just extra. And then I have some napkins here, some condiments that I've already started to use, and this is our microwave. And so moving along, this is our dish drainer, of course, you know, dishes. That's my roommate's, and this is our stove. It is an induction stove. Turn on the light. It is an induction stove, so you have to have like magnetic pots and pans. And so underneath here in these little cabinets, we just keep our bowls and pots and pans and some more condiments, cups, plates. There's some sugar down there, mugs, and all that type of stuff. And yeah, moving on, you know, paper towels. Here's the sink. The only thing I do not like about this sink is that it's not deep, but it is a handicap room, so I do understand. And here is our refrigerator. Just a basic refrigerator. We do have snacks and stuff on top. Right here is just our thermostat, and then there's an extra wall plug right there. And here is, that's my roommate's room. And right here we do have a little table with some bar stools, and I just brought a blender. This is a little oven and a small crock pot. So coming into my room right here, here's a quick little panel of my room. So yeah, this is the door coming in from the kitchen. So I'm just gonna start with the boring stuff, you know, the bathroom. So right here is our sink. Here's me. Hi guys. So yeah, I just have paper towels, soap. These are my essential oils for my diffuser, my Vanity Planet spin brush, some cotton swabs, tissues, and a little vase with some flowers, all from Dollar Tree, and the vase was from Family Dollar for $2. I've had that since freshman year. And down here are some little, are these called cabinets too? Cabinets or whatever. And I just keep all my bathroom stuff, girl stuff, my shower caddy, hair stuff, cleaning stuff. Yeah, all that's down there. So to the left of the sink is where I keep my hamper. And moving on, here is the bathroom door, and I just have a mirror right here. And there's also this is where I keep my broom and dustpan. But going into the bathroom, just basic bathroom, open the door. I have two robes, a thin one and a thick one. And then this is the light. Well, the lights come on automatically, but you can turn them on and off with the button. Yeah, and then there's the tissue, trash can, toilet bowl cleaner, the toilet. And then I have this rack. There are some limited towels and stuff because today is my wash day, so everything is in my hamper. So I keep my rags up there, towels on the next two shelves, and tissue, air freshener right there. And there's nothing on the bottom shelf. And my shower, or the shower curtain. And that shower space is pretty big, I guess, compared to other showers, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, I just keep my body wash there, some exfoliator. Yeah, and then, you know, just turn on the shower like that. I just keep my loofah right here. Shower speaker, because you know you gotta get lit when you're in the shower. Razors right there, and girl products up there. So yeah, that's all the boring stuff. Here is my couch, marble tapestry. All the pillows are in my dorm room haul that I will link in the little cards. This quilt is from Walmart. I just have my purses and some umbrellas right here. So underneath my couch is just where I keep, in that bin is just my bathroom stuff, like extra rags and towels. And that is a duffel bag that I brought my shoes in. And I just have some extra shoes, the extra shoes in that sack, and my suitcase. And here is my floor lamp, my tripod, this orange bag is my dance bag because I am on the dance team, and that is just an extra comforter over there. And back there in that corner is my yoga mat. And so here is my TV. Yeah. And right here is a nightstand. I just have some tissues, a case for my shades, a journal, a coaster, and then this is a nightstand. Underneath I have some bags and a jacket and a pullover. And in this drawer, there's just miscellaneous stuff. There is my little trash can. It says hashtag wasted. The one in the bathroom says the same thing. That's just my laptop charger. So yeah, moving on to my desk. In the little windowsill, I just have a diffuser. It lights up different colors. You know, you just put water in it, and the essential oils that were on my desk. Not my desk, but on my bathroom counter. Put those in there, and it shuts off by itself after like 4 to 6 hours, I think, something like that. So this is my desk right here. I just have, this is where I keep my books, some journals, and then that is a prayer book. And then this is like my business. I do business stuff in this one. And this is just my Bible, my keys, my shades, planner, mailbox key. This was my tryout number, lucky number 7, for the dance team, of course. And stapler, the thing to take the staplers out. My little fake succulent. This gold pineapple. That is a picture from senior year of high school. This little disc label thing just says boss lady. And then right here, this is where I keep some pens, scissors, there's a highlighter in there and stuff. My water bottle on a coaster, my laptop, of course, and in this chair, I just keep my book bag right here, and there is a surge underneath there. Is it a surge? Wall protector? Whatever. Now you plug in multiple plugs. And so this is my nightstand. I just have my lamp right here, some Germex, picture of me, my mom, and my sister. Then I just have this little tray right here. Just keep stuff like my Carmex charger, headphones, some jewelry that I usually always wear. And in that thing is just some nail clippers and stuff like that. And then a coaster, and there's my iPad. And my nightstand, yeah, it's just my class schedule, some receipts, some extra Carmex medicine. I don't even know what's in that. Pens, push pens, yeah, sticky notes, all that good stuff. And underneath, sorry for the lighting, I just had some hats back here. In this bag, it's just a bag of medicine, and that is my craft box. So my bed, my bedding is just this tufted duvet. I have a step stool right here and a plain basic black rug right here. So yeah, then I just have this basic black pillow. Then I have a gray one back there in the back, and then I got these 2 decorative pillows from Ross for $13, and then this back pillow that was in my dorm room haul, I think it was $15. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have lights up here, and I just have them strung up into the shape of a heart. And I have a wall shelf, and then that picture of the pineapple I painted at school at a event, and there's another fake succulent, and then that's just the battery box to the lights. And I'll try to turn the lights off so you can see how it looks. So it's not nighttime, but I close the blinds and the door and everything and turn all the lights out. But this is just what the lights on my wall look like. So coming down from the lights underneath my bed, is just where I keep my bins that I put my clothes and stuff in. And then I just have this clothes basket. I just keep boxes, like that's the box that my lights and the wall hanger came out of, and I keep sacks in there. And I keep my water, paper towels, and laundry detergent on top of one of the bins. And I just have a drawer, dresser drawer right here. I do keep their belts right there. In this first drawer, I'm not gonna open the first drawer because it's just my underclothes and socks and stuff. So yeah. But in this second drawer, I have a ton of t-shirts in this second drawer. And in this bottom drawer are just all of my bottoms, like my pants, my leggings, my shorts, yeah, everything bottoms, like my sweats, lounging pants, all that good stuff. And then right here I just have another throw. I'll just grab this one if I'm getting cold in my bed, so I won't have to grab the other one off of my couch. And it is just the one that was in my dorm room hall, just white with black stripes. So yeah. Right here, hanging on my bed, I just have this cute little black bag. It has gold detailing. Yeah, I love black and gold clearly, so yeah. And then right here, I just have a clock sitting on top of my wagon that I have yet to hang up. And right here, this was supposed to be I was gonna use this as like my school study desk or whatever, but I just sit stuff on it, like my books and stuff. And so here is my whiteboard of stuff to do, stuff that I need to do. So yeah, it's kind of, I don't want to show that. And then I just have a R right here, another one of those, just says bless. I don't even use those, like a folder file, stuff for events that I'm in, and then stuff going on our campus. And here is just a book, and then notebooks for my classes, same thing, just a book underneath there. And then I have this sign that says good vibes only. And in this chair, I just have purses, and it's a t-shirt that I bought out of the bookstore. And I just have my shoes laying around, my night shoes that I use, I always slip on, just basic slip-on shoes. And here are some extra pictures that I need to put up because I don't think I'm going to hang them. And then right here are my tennis shoes. So to the right of this little desk is where I keep my makeup, my perfume and stuff. And right now, I don't know why my comb is here. Yeah, but my knee brace is here because I just put it there when I got done with dance tryouts. So on this little tray, I just have my shades, my makeup brushes, some earrings. All I wear is studs. Fun fact, I don't do hanging earrings. So yeah, necklaces, perfume, lotion, a mirror. Yeah, and then I have this frame from graduation, a beauty blender. Those are brushes that need to be washed. And then in here, well, right here is my acrylic container. In these drawers right here, in this top one, in this drawer is just food. Yeah, just food. And in this drawer, I just have some trash bags, my iron, and all that type of stuff. This bottom drawer is just literally miscellaneous stuff. So to the right of this is just my closet. I just have one of these. This is my closet, and I just bought this curtain, and I just put it on that thing. And we are back at the bathroom where we started. So yeah, so that is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like how my room is set up. If you like it, comment down below your favorite part of my room. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.